Hello there, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we'll discuss something that happened to me a couple of days ago. This is regarding the Samsung ZFLIP 3, which actually my fiance is a daily driver since nearly 1.5 years. So something happened a couple of days ago, and I would like to discuss this with you in today's video. Also, I'm testing new microphone from Fanfine, Fafine, Fafine, Fifine, Fine Fine. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications if you want to see this review because it's coming soon. So ZFLIP 3. Actually, this happened again, ladies and gentlemen. The ZFLIP 3, it's great phone, and also we have the ZFLIP 4, which came a couple of months ago. But I just want to say that it happened again. So the screen on the ZFLIP 3, my fiance's daily driver, it's start to peel again. This phone was being fixed a couple of months ago. I will link below all the videos that I made about this phone. This happened a couple of months ago, I think last year. Again, I'm gonna leave all the videos regarding about the ZFLIP 4. This happened a couple of months ago. The screen was peeling, and we sent the phone to Samsung because the phone still is in warranty. So I don't know, here in UK, usually most of the phones they got 1 year warranty, but because we registered the phone in the Samsung website, we bought it directly from Samsung, and we got like 2 years warranty. And this phone, it's still in warranty now, and it's been like 1.5 years. And the process was super easy. We contacted Samsung. After 3 days, they managed to send a DPD courier. We sent the phone back, and the phone was ready. After 1 week, the phone was ready. We received the phone back, and the phone was brand new, was perfect. They fixed the phone. The problem with the phone was that the screen was peeling again. I don't know if it's a screen protector or no idea what was the problem, and they fixed it. Fast forward a couple of months, and now this happened again. And I don't know what to say anymore about this phone. I don't know if this is one of probably faulty units that we bought. I don't know. Comments below if you have the same issue with your Samsung Z Flip 3 or even with the new Samsung Z Flip 4, which is still new. It came a couple of months ago. And let me know if this happened to you and if the display it's durable. Samsung advised not to remove the screen protector, which we didn't. We kept this phone very well. On the first day, I bought a case for this phone, also a skin for the phone. Actually, we skinned the phone because we want to protect it. It's a nice phone. This phone is not being damaged, it's not being dropped, it's not being close to water. It's perfect. No scratches whatsoever. My fiance, she keeps the phone very well. And I'm a very heavy user. I use my phone all the time. She's not using the phone as I am. She's using the phone as a phone. So phone calls, emails, messages. She even doesn't play games on the phone. So pretty nice condition. The phone is perfect. But fast forward a couple of days. Actually, we sent it the phone today. And if I'm honest with you, I don't know what to say. That's why I decided to make today's video to ask you, the viewer, if this happened to you again, if you had any problems with the Samsung devices before, with the Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, or even with the Fold 3, Fold 4, which is it's new as well. And I have the feeling that many people actually had this issue. And actually, I asked the courier downstairs when we give the phone to the courier, the DPD courier, and I asked him, "Do you have the same issues? How many people returning the phones to Samsung?" And he said that many people actually it's returning the Samsung Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, even the Fold. It's not just me, so that's why I decided to make today's video. And also, I'll keep you in touch. Today, I sent the phone to Samsung. Again, the process was very easy. We contacted Samsung, and after 2 days, actually, we contacted Samsung a few days ago, and they arranged a DPD. So perfect. The service is nice. Service is perfect. They're very good. They're very professional people. And but the problem with this phone is that it's not even 2 years, and this is the second time that is gonna be repaired. I don't know if this is a one maybe faulty unit. I don't know how many faulty units there. I don't know if this device it's faulty or it's just normal thing. It's just normal thing. It, after maybe 1 year, this is gonna happen to you as well. So comment below if you have the same issue. I'm very interested to hear your thoughts about the Z Flip phones. And I'm gonna give you my opinion in the end. What is my thoughts? What is my take about the Flip situation now? Because looks cool, looks nice, amazing, but it has issues, it has problems. And the reason for that is I think that the quality of the displays, maybe there are Samsung panels, the technology is not yet there. This is my thoughts, but I'll give you my thoughts in a minute. So we sent the phone today and we'll see. I'll keep you in touch. So I'll make another video to let you know if we been charged this time. Last time we didn't charge because the phone was still in warranty, so we didn't pay nothing, which is good. Usually some repairs here in UK cost around 30 to 50 pounds here in UK if you send it directly to Samsung. I don't know, let me know in the comments below how much is the cost for your Samsung to be repaired in your country. I'm very interested and I'm curious to hear how much is the repair in your country. But here in UK it's around 50 pounds, which is not, it's not very expensive in my opinion. I think it's very good price. 50 pounds I think is okay. I think if you repair a Samsung phone, it's gonna cost you double, triple, I believe. But yeah, so 50 pounds is the repair here in UK. Last time we didn't pay nothing, so we'll see this time if we're gonna pay something. And if I'm honest with you guys, I'm not okay with this because if we think about it, this phone it's nearly 2 years. It's gonna be 2 years this year, well, next year, January, basically. And if I'm honest with you, this is happening for the second time. Like I mentioned, I don't know if this is a faulty unit or it's this just a general faulty problem with the Samsung panels, with the Samsung displays. And that's why I want to know your situation, how is currently. And personally, I think the situation with the panels, with the Flip, you know, it's cool, it's nice. With all the foldable phones now that they're coming, personally, I think that the technology it's not there yet. Google will announce this year, I believe, if I'm not wrong, the new foldable by Google. I think this is the first foldable Google that they're gonna have this year. The situation is not good at the moment with the foldables. Personally, my opinion, the current phones now they have issues, I believe, and the technology that it's not. Personally, I think the technology is not there yet, and the reason for that is because if this foldable phone is made, it should be tested properly. It should be tested at least 2-3 years, 5 years. I'm gonna give you an example with Apple. Apple, before they release something, they do proper tests. I'm pretty sure that most of the companies, they do the same, but Apple will not release something that is not being tested at least for 3 years, for 2 years, maybe more. Maybe they test their phones even 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And when you buy an Apple product, you know that the product that you're gonna buy is gonna be perfect, no problems. You may have some issues with the software, but this is fixable. But when you have a problem with the hardware, then this is a problem, I think. And my take on the foldable phones currently in 2023 is that they're not ready yet. So I don't know how people will take this, but personally, I think you should not buy a foldable phone. Personally, I think you should invest in a normal phone. It's cool, it's nice. Obviously, it's your cash. I'm not gonna tell you not to buy. If you want to buy a foldable phone, yes, yeah, no problem whatsoever. You can buy a foldable phone. But personally, I think the situation with the foldables are not good at the moment, and they cost a lot. If I'm not wrong, the new foldable from Google will cost 1,800. That's a lot. That's a £2,000 here in UK, which is a lot for foldable phone. Which, by the way, after a year you're gonna have problems. So my take with the foldable phones are they're not ready yet. So keep your cash. Let me know in the comments below. I know, like I mentioned, it's cool, it's nice, it's a good option, takes space, looks very good, but the situation with the foldables are not there yet. I think the displays and the foldable are not there yet. We need at least 5-6 years, maybe more, to make sure that we are there. By the moment, we are not there. So my take is that I will not buy a foldable phones. I am gonna wait a couple of years and then probably I'm gonna buy. I was super happy to buy the ZFLIP 3. We bought it for my fiance. She likes it. It's a nice phone, but the display is bad, very bad. So I don't recommend. Probably people will not be happy in the comments, but this is my take. This is my information about the foldables. Second time and still needs to be repaired, and this is bad. If a phone is repaired continuously, this is not good thing in my opinion. So this phone still is in warranty, but after the warranty expires, what we doing then? So you have to repair the phone every time. This is not good, Samsung. So dear Samsung, make sure you fix your panels. Amazing company, amazing displays, but they're not good at the moment. They're not good at the moment. Make sure to fix your panels because that's a lot of cash for a foldable phone. So this is my take for the foldable phones. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. I'm very interesting and very curious to see to hear your voice in the comments. Hit me up. Are you agree with me? Do you think the foldables are okay in 2023? Do you think it's good to buy a foldable phone? Or do you think it's bad? My advice is keep your cash. If you're planning to buy a foldable phone, and if you think that this is going to be your phone, because many people, they saving money, they want to buy this phone and they want to have one phone. Not many people can have 2 phones, 3 phones. So if it's your daily driver and if you're planning to buy this phone, don't. Just keep your cash and buy something else. This is my take. So there we have it, guys. Hit me up in the comments, subscribe, and if you want to see a video about this new microphone, which I will test soon, this is the new Fine AM Ampli Game. Amazing phone so far. We're talking about phones. Amazing microphone. So we hear the sound from this microphone. So I'll do the review soon. So hit me up in the comments, subscribe, and let me hear your voice in the comments below. Let me know what do you think about this foldable situation. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.